this is Christine and welcome to my channel. Today I'd love to share with you my second entry from the Mess to Message devotional from Illustrated Faith. I kept it very simple and started off with a layer of Kuretake watercolors and some paint splatters. I also used some printables from Shana Klingerman in the Printables Print and Pray shop. And I finished it off with writing a prayer called Masterpiece from Tori Kelly. I was inspired and pulled through to the scripture in Nehemiah 6 verse 9, and it says, "They were all trying to frighten us, thinking their hands will get too weak for the work, and it will not be completed. But I prayed, now strengthen my hands." Ladies, friends, I can just pray that you will remember every day that you are God's masterpiece. Have a blessed Sunday and we'll see you next time.